Hey guys, what's up? How are you, Shiba Inu holders? How are you? So guys, still the Shiba Inu price changes is negative, and the people are very wondering about Shiba Inu, that when will again Shiba Inu price pump? In absolutely guys, from the last 2 months the Shiba Inu price dumps. And guys, still the latest situation of the Shiba Inu is negative, so it's been that they are in the loss. But don't worry guys, everything will be okay. Just patience. Patience is a good thing in a crypto market. Other side, now the latest price of the Shiba Inu is 0.00008 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market. So guys, now I believe that Shiba Inu is in the falls, but you know what, crypto market is a common rules that after falls there is a jump. Now you can see here, now the falls start from 17 August and still the price is in the fall. So I think that 8th last of August they will take a quick jump. So get ready for this quick jump, and absolutely this quick jump is a profitable opportunity with all of you. So be alert, buy now Shiba Inu token. And you know what, Shiba Inu is a long-term project, that's why the people are investing. Anyways guys, what do you think about Shiba Inu? What is your prediction? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.